Intense year para kay Kim Chu ang taong 2023 dahil sinubok daw ng matindi ang pananampalataya niya sa Diyos at marami rin siyang natutunan. Kabilang sa pinagdaanang matindi ng kapamilya actress ang nangyari sa kanyang sister na sila Cam. Gayon din ang pagwawakas ng 12-year relationship nila ni Sian Lim. Ngunit napansin ng netizens na walang bitterness si Kim kay Sian dahil kasama pa rin ito sa in-upload niyang 2023 recap video sa kanyang Instagram. Ayon kay Kim, so many things can happen in a year and 2023 was an example for me. 365 days of emotions, up, side, down. It was an intense year of personal growth. It tested my faith and a lot of learnings, wins and losses. I couldn't gather all my emotions, which felt overwhelming. So many sentimental moments, breakdowns, and breakthroughs. Nagpasalamat ang aktres sa mga taong sumuporta sa kanya at sa mga trabahong bumuhos, kabilang na ang upcoming Philippine adaptation ng Korean hit na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim na pinagbibidahan niya kasama si Paula Avellino. I am thankful for all the amazing people I work with. Perfectly amazing people surrounding me as well and gain new friends. I am grateful for all the trust and opportunities given to me. I am thankful for the highs and also grateful for the lows. Life comes by surprise and it's up to you how you walk through it. Life is a test and all I know is you have to keep walking and moving forward. Stop for a while. Cherish every moment and think about what was. To everyone who supported me along the way, please know that I am deeply thankful and I appreciate each one of you.